Table Talk, a podcast, wow. It's a Table Talk, a podcast, wow. It's a Table Talk, a podcast, wow. It's a Table Talk, a podcast, wow. Sivizitheli kasi nekasi zase isi sifuna ukubona ba uphetheni.
Molweni everybody. Ndiyathemba niyaphila. This is your new host, Good Table Talk podcast. Igama lam ndingu-Asekhona Bhodi, ndisuka eNxarha Square. So, ndilapha just for introductions guys ne. I think sizoba nexesha elimnandi thina sonkeni. Okay. So, if ufuna i-full video ye-podcast yam, uya ku YouTube, ufike phayana, you follow, you like, you share, you subscribe. If ufuna ukuba ne-interview nathi, uyasibhalela ku WhatsApp. Inumber zethu, it's 073-580-8704. Eyam personally, ku 083-8788-095. Uyasifumana ke na ku Facebook, uyamsearcha uLingomsombande. Masibeni pha, let's have a good time guys. Come join me. One thing. Asikhethi story. Noba sesiphina anything. Yonke into ofuna uyisharisha, talk to me. Sibe lapha.